Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the main points of the poem Keeping Quiet, which earlier I taught. And in this poem, I will explain that what is the real concept of this poem, what the moral of this poem, which has been reflected by the poet Pablo Neruda. Students, this poem is giving the message to maintain pin of silence in society, in country, and to get the benefit of that. Poet is telling that if people will be silent at a very unique moment, they will gather at a same place. Absolutely, that will be an extraordinary moment in the human life, and by this way, they can maintain other work also in their life. By this way, they will be united, and they can gain something more in life which they want. He is addressing those people, those are gathering the salt. They will not only observe their injured hand, but they will be also stand. He is addressing those people, those are preparing for the fight, means those are ready for the fight inside the family. They will not use any kind of weapons inside the family. They will be also silent, and they will think about the welfare of the people. If one particular person will think about the welfare of others, by this way, this society, this country will be a nice country, and all the people will be remembered by other people. Means all the people will think about the others people's about this particular quality. Poet also wants to say that this land can teach us. This earth has unique power which can reflect many things in our life, and we can learn many things in our life. So firstly, he is telling that first we see that lot of things on this land are looking dead, but they will be alive, and they will warn us that death is sure and certain. The person who has taken the birth on this land will die one day. So we should not forget our death. We should work in our life according to that. Means we should think that we have taken the birth, so we have to die one day, and we should already think about the welfare of others. We should have quality to feel about the pain of others. We should not be very selfish in our life, because there is no real concept of life if a person is selfish. So person should have feeling of welfare. Person must have the quality of mercy. By this way, he or she can reflect the mercy over others. The person who is producing the mercy and the person who is receiving the mercy, both are getting pleasure in their life, means in the particular life. So poets wants to say that if the people will be united, in that case they will make only one particular aim in their life. If their aim will be one, then they will work according to that, and absolutely, really, undoubtedly, they will progress in their life. None can stop them. None can stop to them on the way. So this is the already message of the poem, and at last poet is telling that I will count 12, but I will not stand there. I will move from there, and rest of the people will stand at the same place, and they will be in meditation mood. By this way, they will get the energy, they will get the power, and on the behalf of that power, on the basis of that power, they will be able to do the further work in their life. So students, in this poem, I explained about the real quality of this poem, real message of this poem, which I just explained before you. Thank you.